Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Onimes Maiti. I am from Mecheda and district of Purba Midnapur and state West Bengal. Today, I share my topic uh, about my first day of admission BTech of mechanical engineering. And that day is Friday, first day. Uh, First day, and I wake up at 7 a.m. and freshen up 7:30 a.m. and my bath are completed to 8 a.m. and next I spend my daughter and sister sister. ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে থ্যাংক ইউ সিস্টার অ্যান্ড স্যার ভাগ্নি বা ভাগনাকে কি বলবো niece and I spend my sister and niece for some times. After that, I my breakfast are completed at about 8:30 a.m. and I got ready, prepared to admission my first admission to BTech college, and I get out the room at about 9 a.m. and I meet the senior uh, Badar হবে senior Badar is Raju Das and he is senior but he admission করবে he admission to diploma. He get admission in diploma for civil engineering and we I and he meet the Satragachi station and get in college is Elite Institute of Technology, Elite Engineering and Technology outside. ঠিক আছে তো meet situated at place is Sodhpur. So Sodhpur and I meet Rajuda and get into a bus Sialda station, Satragachi to Sialda station and the timing the timing reach time is Sialda station at about uh, 11:30 a.m. and I next uh, yeah, yeah I and Rajuda and no Aryan is with me. So next I get a ticket. I collect the ticket at Sialda station and Sialda to Sodhpur station. Sialda to Sodhpur station and uh, we get a train at about 12 p.m. 12 p.m. and um, next get down about 12:30 p.m. and next get a auto and get a from there and get a auto from there. The auto price per head 20 rupees and the auto is started to the journey about 12:40 p.m. and next I and Rajita and others two student uh, get a টোটো মানে আমাদের পাশেই যাচ্ছিল একসাথে কি বলবো হ্যাঁ তো টু স্টুডেন্ট আর accompanied আচ্ছা two students are accompanied to us and the auto is running to college and get out the college about reach the college at about um, 1 p.m. and next I call the Anirban sir. Anirban. So before which one student are previous মানে হ্যাঁ pass out student. He give the number of me and আমাকে দিয়েছিল আর now contact number. So I contacted the Anirban sir, and he accepted to me, and so sir told me, I told the sir, স্যার আমাদেরকে পাস করতে হবে এরকম বলছিলেন। I have to pass the exam, and সাপ্লি পেলে চলবে না, কি বলবো ওটাকে। তো তো I I requested to sir, and I passed to exam, but no supply to I accepted, মানে আমি ওটাকে অ্যাকসেপ্ট করতে চাই না এমনি সাপ্লি। and next the অনির্বাণ স্যার ইজ নিয়ে গেছিল, তো তো অনির্বাণ স্যার took me and Rajuda to office, and the office member is three members, one, two madams and one sir, and this sir, so sir question me, you are pass out to diploma, so you saw the diploma last year mark sheet, so I call, acha, so last year mark sheet or diploma, of a diploma, and I call the my sister, and I told her, you send WhatsApp my 6M mark sheet and all documents and Aadhaar cards, etc. And next I forward the madam, I forward the all documents by WhatsApp and the madam, and next the submission time is after 20 minutes later, and submission time is মানে কি বলবো, মানে ওটাকে অ্যাকসেপ্ট করতে ম্যাডামের 15 মিনিট টাইম লেগে গেছে, মানে সব কিছু রেডি করতে। ম্যাডাম, তো ম্যাডাম আর গেট রেডি আফটার 15 মিনিটস, অ্যান্ড কলেজ ফিস ইজ 10,000 ওই সময় দিতে হয়েছিল আমাদের। ফার্স্ট টাইম আই পেমেন্ট দ্য 10,000 রুপিস অনলি, অ্যান্ড নেক্সট ম্যাডাম আমাদেরকে জিজ্ঞেস করছিল যে ফার্স্ট সেমের টাকাটা, দ্য ম্যাডাম ইজ আস্কড মি, অ্যান্ড ফার্স্ট সেম ফুল পেমেন্ট ইজ কবে দেবে, মানে কি বলবো ওটাকে। তো when the give you the when you pay the full payment, I I told the madam, and after 2 months I payment the full payment, I give the full payment, and madam is accepted, and madam told me, so I call, আমি তোমাদের কল করে নেব, I take the call, I will call you after 2 months. তো after that ওই সময় খিদা লেগেছিল, কি বলবো, I was too much hungry, and after that I searched the canteen, and get into a canteen, and prepare to ready lunch, মানে লাঞ্চ করার জন্য prepare to I took our lunch, and lunch menu is rice, dal and sabji, etc. Next I get out the canteen about 2:20 p.m. and next the যে আগের senior student call me, that time call me, and he call me, and so he asked me, who, মানে আমি আর who, where are you and Rajuda, and next I told that যে আমরা বেরোবো, I get out the I was starting for back at about 2:30 to 35 p.m. and next I get out the college, get out from the college, আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা, I come out the college, and I and Rajuda get a Toto, and মানে ওখান থেকে অটো ধরে ফ্রম দেয়ার মহিষতলা, ওটা মানে মহেশতলা, হ্যাঁ। Get the next, I and Rajuda get a Toto, and reach the Mastala stoppage, and next get a bus at about 3 p.m. At about 3 p.m. and um, the bus is started to 3 p.m. and bus will reach about Sialda station at about um, uh, 3:15 p.m. and I collect the ticket. That's sorry sir, ওখানে একটা mistake হয়, সোদপুর স্টেশন হবে, তো সোদপুর স্টেশন, and I collect the ticket and get a train um, at about 3:30 p.m. and the I will reach the Sialda station at about 4 p.m. and next I get a bus, Sialda bus at um, uh, at about 4 p.m. and next the bus is um, started journey, and the bus will reach time about Santagachi station 5 p.m. and next uh, না বাসে করে গেলাম তো শিয়ালদা থেকে বাস। আফটার দ্যাট আই get a auto Santagachi station, and get out auto Dilip Bhattacharya Mode, and that location is my sister house. So sir, হ্যাঁ, তো that day I stay the my sister রাজুদা ওখানে ভাড়ায় থাকে, মানে রাজুদা also stay there. The next I stay the my sister house, and Rajuda will stay the her room, his room, and that's all about my journey of BTech and some submission get admission. Thank you.